Hey everybody, it's Tracy from First City FPV, and today I am flying my Baby Ape 2 from DarwinFPV. This is a fantastic little budget freestyle quad with 3.5-inch props, and it runs on a 4S battery. The main reason I bought this quad is because it is a whopping $135 as of right now on banggood.com. So I wanted to find an affordable option that I could fly a bit more recklessly than I normally do, and let me tell you, this little thing is durable. I haven't broken a prop yet. It basically has zero damage other than I had to replace the VTX and the ELRS receiver antennas, but this little fox ear lollipop gives me much better reception than the one that shipped with it. And today I'm flying at one of my favorite freestyle spots here in beautiful Ketchikan, Alaska. The music is by an artist called Voyager, and the song is called Hyper. Find this track and many others at the Electronic Gems YouTube page, and as always, like and subscribe.